Alright, Secret DIY here. Today on this episode we're going to be talking about how to paint a room, sequence how to paint a room, and the best way to paint a room, well, my personal opinion anyway, and how I get through it from start to finish. So with that said, let's get cracked on and let's just get straight into it. So on previous episodes I've been showing obviously how I've been doing my ceiling. I've ripped it down, put it back up, plastered it all that good stuff. But what had happened was I basically left the coving up. So I've gone around here, filled the coving up, and what I like to do is after I've filled it up, I like to put my scraper across it and put a wet brush, just a 1 inch, that's how I do it. Wet brush straight across to smooth it all out and get it where I need to be. And then afterwards, if it needs a bit of a cork, you can have a bit of a cork. But 9 times out of 10, once you've done this, the paint covers it all. Now I also did a video on how to put your mantelpiece back up. So as you can see here, there's a gap at the back. So what I decided to do to get rid of that gap and for it to blend into the wall, I put some masking tape at the back and I just filled it all out. Just exactly the same way as I did the coving, and basically just brushed it in, give it a light brush over it. You can see me putting the filler in, and then obviously when you take the masking tape off, which I use fog tape, once you've done that, that gets rid of all the gap, and you just wait till it goes solid, dry, and then take it all off, and it just gives it a lovely crisp line ready for you to cut in, and then obviously get the a lovely crisp line basically. Now we're on to the sanding now. Now sanding, I've got my mask on, very dangerous stuff. So you want to be basically taking precautions. Eyes, you want your glasses on, you want your mouth, obviously you don't want to be inhaling anything, any dust or anything. Make sure you've got a good mask. I've got myself a trend mask, that's what the wife bought me, a trend mask. It's M3, all that good stuff, and does the job, and it's quite comfortable to wear, to be fair. So I went down, I'm doing all my walls, all your skirting boards, and as you can see me going around doing it, making sure everything's all spick and span, and that's after you've filled up. You want to make sure you fill up first. So once you've done that, let it dry off, and then you're good to go. As soon as you've done that, you want to be painting your coving, and then you want to be putting your roll in the ceiling. You want to be putting 2 coats on your ceiling to make sure it's covered, especially that coving as well. And that coving also highlights anything up, so you're good to cork. You cork everything up, get everything sorted, and you're good to go really. So what I like to do is like paint everything, highlight all the corking. Once you've highlighted everything, then it's just basically going around corking everything up. Let it dry, cork go off for an hour, get the hour cork, Everbuild hour cork, and then it's just a case of going over it again, and that obviously keeps everything all lovely lines ready for your painting. You've got your picture rail now. Well, I've got a picture rail. And basically all I've done for these small bits, there's no point, I don't think anyway, of getting a big massive roller out just to do small bits just because for something else to clean out. So all I do is just get me small, I think the clusters are feature wall roller you can buy. You get small ones, and I just got one of them. As I'm cutting in, I'm just going around, as you can see now, just filling in with the roller and getting everything prepared and ready. And you could just work out your pot. There's no need to get any, obviously, any paint scuttles out or any bags to put in the paint scuttles, so you don't have to clean it out and all that good stuff. It's just dead simple. Go along, cut in, paint a bit, cut in, paint a bit, and everything's all in unison and everything's all uniformed. So what I've done here now is I've started the bottoms. I've cut everything in like I showed you at the top, and I've just started to roll. But as I've been rolling, I use a scuttle, put a bag in the scuttle, so when you finish and you've poured everything back into your paint tin, you can just get rid of the bag and it's just clean, ready for your next bit. As I did with the ceiling. And also I've used a 12-inch roller here. The reason I've used a 12-inch roller cage and roller sleeve is because it just gets it done quicker. Used it with my roller pole, and I've just blasted right round as quick as I possibly could, making sure I wasn't causing any tram lines or anything. So yeah, that's that. And now we're on to the next bit. Right then, I'm a little cup of tea now. Well, I've just cleaned up, got everything sorted, so looking spotless now. We're virtually there, right in the last stretch. So I thought I'd go through some things for you that might help you out. Number one is, I've got these to paint here. My tops, well, not my tops, sorry. My cupboards, sorry. And my cupboards are basically, what I've gone and done is I've gone and mixed some emulsion with some water-based undercoat and made this colour here that's basically close to the colour of that up there. That's why these were a little bit lighter. And then I've gone and bought a satinwood mix and it's water-based. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, okay, foam roller. The reason I'm using the foam roller is to paint these. Normally you'd use these for oil, but if you use these on top and put a couple of coats on and take your time, you can actually make it look like it's been sprayed. That's why I'm going to do it. So that's what I'm going to do there. Also, I've gone and got myself a water-based gloss. Gone for a gloss. But the wife wanted satinwood on here. I don't know why. That's what she wanted, so that's what she's going to get. And this is the satinwood I've gone for. I've gone for a good home. So that's what I've gone and done there. Painted the doors the same. These are the doors here. I've took the doors off, so I'm going to paint them separate. Because I've got last, so I can basically get to them. And then I've got hinges which I'm going to show you how to put on. I've got another video out on that. How to put them on, so you can alter them and make them move. And the soft closing, because my boy is going to basically knock it out of these if I don't get soft closing. And then got the handles to go. So we're all good to go now. So I'm going to get this job finished and then I'll show you the finished product in a bit. Right, let's get started. Yeah, now we're just on the case of obviously getting all the glossing done and getting everything sorted. So I'm going to leave you with that. And yeah, I'll show you the finished product in, well, however long this video takes to finish off. So you'll see the room in a minute. Right, see you in a sec. So here's the big reveal. Basically, this is what the room looks like now. Now it's all finished, all good. I'm going to go through it all now. So let's get started. So basically, as you can see down here, we've got there's my circle that I did. Oh, yeah, round there. Got all that done. All that sorted. All that done up there. That's what the coving looks like. It's all sorted up there. all singing, all dancing. And there's the dado rail, not the dado rail, the picture rail I did. That's that done. And obviously we've just got our 3-piece suite in here now. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, there we go, a bit better. Obviously the door's being done, all glossed. That's what it all looks like around there. Happy days. Now, if you start looking around here, here's the TV all up. And all that's painted. All singing, all dancing. And then we've got the mantelpiece that I put up. And there we go, that's what I was saying about the filler. That's what it looks like now. So it's all been filled up, all lovely, all nice. And you can't really see it. So yeah, that's it really. So she put some flowers up here. Don't know why, but she thinks it looks nice, keeps her happy. And then yeah, there's the walls all done at the top there. And then we're just gonna got one of those chandeliers up here. We put that up. And yeah. And that is about it really. So I'm absolutely over the moon. I'll see if I can get a bit of a better shot for you so you can see. Hold on. There we go. All the way around here. And that's it with the curtains up. Happy days. I'm absolutely over the moon with how it's turned out. It took me about a month to do it all on my own. You've seen the videos, so look at all the other videos. But that's basically how you paint the room and how you get the room to look. And I've done a series of obviously every single one I've done and all the things. I've ripped down ceilings, sorted covings out and all kinds. And also there it is with the carpet down. That's the carpet she's gone for. So yeah, wife's over the moon, I'm over the moon, and to be fair, I'm just glad it's finished. So if you like what I'm doing, I'd just like to turn around and say thanks very much for watching. And if you can find it in your heart to subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff, I'll be over the moon. And I just want to say thanks very much for watching, and hope to see you in the next one. Take care.